what is going on. I haven't posted on this channel in forever. I just wanted to make a quick video, show people who have a Mustang who may be trying to put some performance pack gauges in it, how I went ahead and did it with minimal tools and effort. The main thing you want to do is go in here into your APIM harness, and you're going to find pins 53 and 54, I believe, the blue and white wire where these Posi taps are. These are going to go to your CAN bus, which is going to control your vacuum and your oil pressure and your my color. And then this red and violet wire, this is going to be your 12-volt power. And then this bigger one right here, you can't really see it, it's going to be a black and gray for GT premium Mustangs. This is going to be the ground that you want to tap into. So what I did was I took this apart, I found the pins, traced the wires, and I just tapped into them with Posi taps. Super easy, super simple. It's basically plug and play if you don't want to splice and solder. If you look at that square way back there in the back, usually there's supposed to be a connector there, but mine did not have it. So what I wound up having to do was buy the pigtail separately that comes with these. Now, some people, I saw a video where a guy soldered his in. I didn't really want to cut my harness. So what I did is I used some Posi taps, and they're working like they're supposed to. Once I get it all back together and squared away, I'll go ahead and show you guys what they're looking like when they're powered up. These two images that I've uploaded, one is going to be the connector for the gauges. The second one is going to be the APIM connector that you are going to tap into. Just outlines the pins and the wires. You can find more information on these on Mustang G6, but if you pay attention to the color codes and you tap into them properly, you shouldn't have any issues. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful to some of you. Yes, I know the oil pressure gauge isn't working, which sucks. It needs to be activated through the computer. Apparently these vehicles that were not equipped with a harness from the factory don't have it activated. So that still needs to be done. I will link these products in the description if you guys need them. I'll see you next time.